One park, 400 drones, nighttime animal shows, and a finale that lights up the entire sky. Every city has a personality after dark. Tonight, we are finding out SeaWorld Orlando's Electric Ocean has to say. SeaWorld Orlando's Electric Ocean is back. Night shows, fireworks, drone shows, and summer food.
Smells delicious too. I'm so hungry.
What is up, familia? I am Davo, and if you are new here, welcome aboard. Today we are staying until the lights come on because SeaWorld's Electric Ocean completely transforms this park after dark. And trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss this. Now let me ask you something. When was the last time you stayed at SeaWorld after the sun went down? Because this summer, I've been enjoying SeaWorld Orlando completely different. Why? Because it transforms. The animals, the lights, the music, the food, and even the sky becomes part of the show. Today we are diving into SeaWorld's Electric Ocean, and trust me, this is not just another nighttime event. Let's go check it out. Now there are some places that completely change personalities once the sun goes down. SeaWorld Orlando is one of them. By day, it's all about the incredible marine animals, conservation, and family adventures. But once the evening arrives, the park becomes alive with glowing lights, live entertainment, music, fireworks, and a massive celebration that stretches across the entire park. This year's Electric Ocean isn't just bringing back fan favorites, it's expanding them.
We are really excited. Probably the most exciting part that we are looking forward to this year is the return of our nighttime animal presentations. So what that means is we're gonna do a show during the day, and then we're gonna flip the venue and we're gonna offer a second show.
One of the biggest announcements this summer, the return of SeaWorld's nighttime and animal presentations. You'll still learn about dolphins, sea lions, and killer whales. But at dark, the focus shifts. It becomes less about education and more about creating memories together.
Everybody needs to laugh, everybody needs to smile, everybody needs to have a good time together. The nighttime presentations are an amazing opportunity to bring families together.
That philosophy is everywhere. It is the music, the dancers, the neon lights, the energy. SeaWorld describes Electric Ocean as a party underneath the sea. Honestly, that's exactly what it felt like.
What's been really fun about summer is it's the opportunity to stay out late and enjoy the entire day as well as the evening.
Hi, Jerry! Tiny little bit pineapple upside down
I
cake.
was worried about the carbs though.
It's tiny and it's pineapple.
And let's be honest, no summer festival is complete without the food.
They're delicious. Coke float.
Electric Ocean introduces exclusive menu items inspired by the event.
Smells delicious too. I'm so hungry.
Amigos, los invito a acompañarme mientras disfruto de este teriyaki de res servido en una piña real. Provecho. Delicioso. ¿Quién dice eso, Dora? Flamingo flock margarita. I don't even know where he's recording. He thinks he's going to use this video, but he's not because I'm going to do all the cuts.
And during this month of July, SeaWorld added another reason to visit, the Red, White, and Barbecue. Regional barbecue, craft beers, classic summer flavors all in one place.
Check out this thing right here. Pulled pork, mac and cheese, all in the cone. I saw it, I said, I have to have it. Look at this. This is a great combination, guys. I saw it and I said, I gotta go to SeaWorld just to get this. And the rest was just a cherry on top.
And one of the favorite things that I loved, me and the wife, was the dance party. It was amazing. Everybody just gets on the floor and starts dancing with all these amazing characters on the dance floor. It was great. I mean, seeing these gigantic fish just kind of roaming the dance floor, it was cool, man. Then comes something different. Instead of looking up on the stage, you're looking up. 400 drones fill the sky, turning the night into another canvas.
Once again, a way to not only have excitement down and in front, but above everyone as well.
After spending the evening here, I can honestly say this is not just about the fireworks, the drones, or the food. It's about slowing down, staying a little later, and making memories with the people you came with. SeaWorld has put together a summer celebration that's colorful, energetic, family-friendly, and packed with reasons to stay until closing. If you are planning a trip to Orlando this summer, I definitely put Electric Ocean on your list. Alright familia, that is it for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you are new here, smash that bell so you don't miss another adventure. Leave me a comment below which nighttime show you are most excited to see here in Orlando. As always, thank you for watching. Laters y hasta luego.